720 by 370. That's the number. If you want more details on how to make editor splash screens in Unreal Engine 5, custom ones, so you don't have to stare at the ugly default Unreal Engine screen. I mean, it's fine for basic projects, but if you want a custom one for your own project, stay tuned. So open up your photo editor of choice, whether that's Canva, Photoshop. I'm using Affinity, and go ahead and make a canvas of 720 pixels by 370 pixels and make the splash screen that you want. Now that you have your image ready to go, you can save it as PNG. I think they also might take JPEGs. Next, open up your Unreal Engine project. One thing to point out, notice whenever you have the splash screen and you load your Unreal project, you have the information here in the bottom left-hand corner. Make sure you don't put anything there that you don't want to unintentionally cover up whenever you create your splash screen. These shaders are taking forever. Once your project is opened up, go to Editor, go down to Project Settings. Here you can type in Splash Screen. So find whatever platform you are on or you once be on. Here, most of my games are only ever going to be Windows, but if you want to do Mac or Linux, feel free to do that. For your editor splash screen, change this image. For your game splash screen, change this image. For me, they will be the same thing. Go and find your image. You may have to click Import down here in the bottom right-hand corner. Go and close out and then reload your Unreal Engine project. And look, now you have your custom splash screen. Congratulations, this is Hipster GW. Tune in every Wednesday at noon Central Time for more Unreal Engine videos, sometimes Python videos. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all the cool things if you like this video. All right, cool, thanks, see you around.